We kind of had the luxury of, we're in the space of technology. And so what we're preaching, we have a little saying in our office, we eat what we cook. And so yes, we had already practiced for mobility. We have a lot of positions that do a lot of their work in a mobile platform. What I would say we didn't anticipate was a few of our employees that live in a rural area. So even though they were equipped with mobile devices, we use Office 365 Teams, and so virtual meetings and everything were not a new thing for us. But then sticking all of those tools into an environment that can't get bandwidth through internet services, like there's nothing you can do. So we were working through some MiFi solutions and trying to make it less bad, but there were some struggles from the internet perspective. That was a challenge, a big one that we didn't anticipate. We did send everyone home 2 weeks before the mandated stay-at-home order was put into place, just so that for those situations, we could kind of see what those might be and then still have some backup plans as we worked through that. We made a lot of mistakes. That was one of the things that we did that I really want to pat our team on the back, because it helped us really work through some things in a much less painful way than waiting till that 11th hour. We also had a few divisions that were hit really hard. We also do printing equipment. And so when everybody's going home, they're not taking their large industrial, copiers home with them. And so because we were seeing kind of a lighter workload there, we were able to kind of pivot and utilize some of those resources differently to help kind of offset some of the impact that this crazy time created.